Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be comparing Cursor AI Windsurf with Cline. So let's just choose which is going to be the best for us. So I have a list prepared since jumping onto different platforms. This is going to be taking a lot of time. You can see we have different type of features listed on the left side of my screen, and on the right side we got our definitions, whether they are available on the platforms or not. So if you talk about AI models, let's just start with the actual pricing. So the Cursor AI starts with $20 unlimited prompts plan, which is the first one. Windsurf have a pricing of $50 a month and also have a free tier available. So really amazing in this sense. Now if we talk about Cline or Cline, we have a free plan, pay as you go via API usage. So it is basically starting free, and if you use APIs, it is going to be charging you some money. So I think the Cline in this case is going to be taking the lead for the pricing. Now if we talk about the AI model, we have almost similar models on everyone, but we have GPT-4o available on Cursor. So that is really amazing. If you are looking for the latest version of GPT, you are going to be needing to upgrade to Cursor AI. That is going to be offering much more pricing but much more better features as well. If you talk about customization, we have a high level of customization in Cursor, a moderate level of customization on Windsurf, and a very high level of customization, full control, open source on Cline. So I think Cline is taking the lead so far. Now, if we talk about ease of use, we have power user focused, more features. We have beginner friendly for Windsurf and requires setup more manual on Client Root. So I think in this scenario, if we are talking about beginner friendly, Windsurf is going to be taking the lead. And yeah, so if we talk about best for, the Cursor is best for advanced users and heavy coders. If you are a beginner, we recommend Windsurf, and if you are a tinkerer, privacy and cost conscious, then you are going to be going with Cline. And yeah, so overall I think Cursor is going to be taking the lead since it is packed with a lot more features and different type of other perks and abilities. So I hope this video was helpful, and it is going to be helping you differentiate in these three softwares and choosing the best one for your requirements. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.